How to make a backup code on Roblox. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'll show you how to create a backup code in Roblox. It's a simple and fast process, so follow along carefully. I suggest watching this on a computer using the Roblox website on a web browser. However, you can also do this on your phone by accessing the Roblox website in your web browser. So first of all, you have to log into your specific Roblox account and click on the cog icon at the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, choose Settings, and once the settings loads, navigate to the Security tab. Here you will find various options, including two-step verification, and at the bottom you will see security keys, which act as backup codes. Simply save this code security, and this feature is compatible with web browsers, iPhones and iPads, requiring a hardware security key or the biometric data like fingerprints or facial recognition. Follow the instructions on the screen to set up two-step verification by scanning a QR code provided after entering your password, and once it is done, you can access and store the backup code safely. So this was all about how to make a backup code in Roblox. If you found this video informative, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. And don't forget to hit that bell icon to stay updated with our latest contents. Thank you for your viewership and support. See you in the next one.